Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change text font color in a PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now I will change this text font color. Click on this home option, this menu bar, and select this edit option. Now click on this text box. You can select whole text box or select a specific text or line, and this text formatting tools, and this is text color option. So we will select here any color and apply, and this text color now saves. Also I will change this text color. We apply different color and see this, and I will change also this text color, and see this. In this way you can change all of your text color. You can change a specific character, word and line color. Yeah, this is, and finally select this home option and select file, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.